If you're looking for reminders in Google Calendar, they don't exist anymore. They are now tasks. What's the difference? Well, you can view, edit, or delete tasks. You can view your tasks. You can hide all your tasks. You can edit a task if you want to change some of its details or when it's due. And of course, you can delete a task or mark it as complete. Now make sure you have the latest version of the Google Calendar app installed. And if you hit that plus sign down the bottom right, you can add a task. There we go, out of office, no, we want a task. And so what is a task? It's something that you have to do, and maybe you have to do it regularly. Chapter. Now you can put details in your task, you can add links, and it can be an all-day task, or you may want it to happen at a particular time. And you can set it to repeat every day. You can do a custom repeat. You can set it to end on a certain date. You pick the date. Or you can set it, hit the repeat. You can set that to end after a certain number of occurrences. Let's say you're doing a 7-day challenge. After I do 7 occurrences, then I am done. So that's your task, and that has created that repeating task for me. Now, when it comes to opening the task, you just click on it, and of course you can do this on desktop as well. I'm going to click on the task, I might edit it, and I might add some details in there, even for the repeating task. Now, once I have done that task, read that chapter, I'm just going to click it, mark completed down the bottom here, and I'm going to say great. Am I going to hide completed tasks or still display them? Up to you. You can manage that setting. And I'm going to say, okay, for completed tasks, I want you to show them, or I want you to not show them once they're completed. I'm going to show this completed task. Let's go back, click done. And you can see that that task has been crossed out. So that's a quick introduction to Google Tasks, which have now replaced the Google Reminders in Google Calendar. Check the links in the description below to find out more details about how to use Google Tasks.